Hi! Today I'll show you how to make a crunchy, simple, and very healthy Asian-inspired salad. I'll also show you a very original way to serve it, something that will definitely surprise your family and guests. This salad is perfect as a light side dish for lunch or dinner, and it can also be a great main dish, especially for vegetarians or anyone watching their weight. As always, you can find the full list of ingredients in the description below, and please like this video and subscribe to support my channel. Let's start by prepping the ingredients. You can chop the vegetables and fruits ahead of time, but mix them with a dressing only right before serving. Here's what we need: a carrot, peel and chop it, an apple, a cucumber, peel lightly and dice, a sweet red pepper, remove seeds and chop, a small piece of daikon radish, peel only the part we use, a mandarin, about a quarter of a small green cabbage, finely shred it. Cut in halves about a dozen of sweet cherry tomatoes. Chop some green onion, and finally, dice the mandarin. You can serve this salad in regular bowls, but if you want to turn it into a beautiful holiday-style dish, here's a fun idea. Use whole red cabbage leaves as natural serving cups. Make a small cut at the base and carefully separate a few leaves, one per portion. Now let's make the dressing. Grate a small piece of ginger, about half the size of your pinky nail. Drizzle the salad with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar and 1 teaspoon of honey. Season with a pinch of salt to taste, then toss well to coat. Spoon the salad into the red cabbage leaves, and right before serving, top it with crispy wonton strips, crushed walnuts, and pumpkin seeds for extra crunch. And that's it. Our fresh, crunchy, Asian-inspired salad is ready. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. See you next time!